Hey guys, it's Jared Cook here with the Perry Company in Waco, Texas, and today we're going to look at a 1/2-inch polycarbonate front windshield replacement for a KX080-4. Let's take a closer look. We've created the best solution for two common problems with this type of equipment. Number one is the cost to replace the front windshield, and number two is the lead time associated with replacing the front windshield. So when you buy the unit, you have a piece of glass upper and lower, typically 3/16 to 1/4 inch thick. Our solution is a 1/2-inch scratch resistant polycarbonate. It's not going to break. You get it upper and lower, and you don't have to worry about going to the glass shop to get this piece put in. It's put in right there at any shop here in America. And so the way that we put that in is we have 5 different retainers with a series of fasteners that hold that polycarbonate tight to the existing frame, and it makes for a wonderful solution year after year. Let's take a closer look at the mechanical fastening system. All right guys, I'm going to do my best to show you the mechanical fastening system, and it's a little tough to see, but that's by design. We didn't want to impede your field of vision with our retainer system, and so it's pretty slim and pretty sleek. But basically what we have is we have 5 retainers that go around this window and across the top. That is a bolt-in application. So what you're doing is you're taking the retainers with the original frame and our polycarbonate and bolting all that together, making a really solid solution for the years to come. You don't have to worry about it rattling loose or the polyurethane seal being broken and starting to come loose, or you have a piece of glass laying in front of your unit. Just really strong. Now let's go back out front and recap on the day. All right guys, let's summarize the day. We're going to look at the polycarbonate with the mechanical fastening system versus the glass and the polyurethane. We're going to look at cost, lead time, and reliability or durability in the field. So when you look at glass, you're going to spend $200 to $300 in cost, 2 to 3 days lead time to get that to the glass shop, get it back, get it in the unit, get your customer on the road. And at the end of the day, I think you have to question the reliability of polyurethane. It's great in a lot of applications, but some of these units take some hard hits, and that's gonna make that polyurethane start to deteriorate, and you can start to see it come apart from the frame, and then eventually you don't have a piece of glass in front of you anymore. When we talk about the polycarbonate with the mechanical fastening system, something you can put on in the shop in about an hour, so you don't have that $200 to $300 charge from the glass company. It's something that's going to reduce your lead time, obviously, by 2 to 3 days. It gets your equipment back on the road quicker. And so when we talk about reliability, it's metal to polycarbonate back to that metal frame. It's a really stout solution that's not going to go anywhere. And so if you guys have any questions about the product, if you'd like to order the product, call us here at the Perry Company. We'd love to help you. Thanks.